Welcome back, everyone. Today I was asked by a friend of mine from high school if I could move something pretty cool for him. So we're going to start with picking up this beautiful trailer, if you want to call it that. Got the job done. Just wasn't the smoothest ride for what was in the back. But we made it, so here's just a quick look at the trailer. This is the, I believe, 5x12 or 5x10, I think. I think it says right back here on the trailer. Somewhere. I think it's a 5x9. That's what it was. It has the ramp, folds down. Super easy getting on and off. Plenty of tie downs. Of course, that tailgate acts as a sail the whole way down the highway, but we made it. If you look at the front of the trailer here, you'll see the wheel chock. That was very helpful for this item that we're moving today. And here we go, pulling in to pick it up. Some of you may have already guessed, it is going to be a motorcycle. But where is it gonna go? We're here at Frank's Motorcycle, Essex, Vermont. Sorry I didn't get much video of loading this. The guy that was loading it was pretty quick and didn't give me much time to pull out the camera here. Here we have a Yamaha MT-03. Not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Alright, here's our first stop, Hartford, Vermont. This is just as you get on 91 going south. And look at this thing, a freaking payphone. Who even knew they made them still? Best steak and cheese ever. Alright folks, this is Village Pizza, Brattleboro, Vermont, exit 3. If you're ever in the area, you must go here. They have amazing pizza. Their steak and cheese sandwich is even better. Great family here. They're always very nice. Husband and wife, and then they got their 2 kids that are now working there. They're just such kind people, and they make amazing pizza, so definitely make sure you stop here if you're ever in the area. Alright, moving right along. Here we are exiting Vermont, and in a few moments here you'll see we're crossing into Massachusetts. Sorry about not getting more video of the drive. I had my dash cam recording, but then the trip was so long it overrode most of it, so most of the dash cam was just nighttime, and you can't really see anything in Vermont at night. Alright, now we're coming out of Massachusetts. Going to be going into Connecticut here in just a minute. My co-pilot was pretty amazed of the street lights along the highway. She doesn't get out much, I guess. Here's a little disclaimer for all the COVID police. We did not get out of the vehicle in either Connecticut or Massachusetts, except to unload, which we were outside, fully distanced from everybody else. So don't give me grief on this, people. Alright, here's the motorcycle, unstrapped off the trailer. Looking really sharp, very nice bike. Hope the recipient enjoys it, and better be safe. Always wear a helmet. Thanks everyone for watching. Sorry the video is so short today.